In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code in Zoho Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add custom HTML or third-party embeds, like forms, widgets, or iframes, right into your Zoho site's pages and safely publish those changes so they're live on your site. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho site's homepage. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Zoho account so you can access your sites. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the websites you manage. Click the site where you want to add the HTML embed. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you've selected the correct one so you don't make changes in the wrong place. Inside your chosen site, look for the option to edit. Click Edit to open the Visual Builder. This launches the site editor where you can work directly on your pages. If you need to embed code on a specific page or section, navigate to that page now in the editor so you can place the embed exactly where it belongs. Now, in the Builder interface, find the plus icon, the Add button used to insert new content onto the page. Click the plus sign to open the panel that shows the different types of content you can add. From here, choose Element. This is where Zoho Sites keeps its building blocks, including text, images, and the tools we need for custom code. Scroll through the elements until you find the embed frame. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling toward the bottom of the list. It's typically grouped with advanced or external content options. Once you see embed frame, click and drag it onto the page. Drop it exactly where you want your custom content to appear. You can place it within a section, a column, or between existing blocks. If your layout uses multiple columns, be mindful of where you drop it so the width feels balanced with your design. After you place it, you can usually resize the frame by dragging its edges to fine-tune the space it occupies. As soon as the embed frame is in place, a dialog will prompt you to enter your code. Paste your embed code or type your HTML directly into the field. This can be an iframe snippet from a trusted service, a simple HTML block, or a widget embed provided by a tool you use. A quick tip here: use code only from sources you trust and make sure it's compatible with secure sites. If your site uses HTTPS, your embed should use HTTPS as well to avoid mixed content warnings. Also, keep an eye on width and height within your code. Many providers include responsive options that adapt better on mobile. When your code looks good, click OK to confirm. You should now see a preview inside the builder. If the preview looks blank, don't panic. Some scripts don't render fully in the editor. Use the builder's preview mode to check it, or proceed to publish and verify the live page. If something still doesn't appear after publishing, revisit your code to ensure it's complete and not blocked by the browser or by content security rules. With the embed in place, you're ready to make it live. Click Publish. Zoho Sites will process your changes and update the live version of your website. If you're publishing for the first time on a new page, give it a moment and then open the live site in a fresh browser tab to confirm everything looks and functions as expected. Test it on both desktop and mobile views so the layout and responsiveness are spot on. That's it. You went to the Zoho Sites homepage, opened your site, entered edit mode, used the plus icon to access elements, dragged in an embed frame, added your code, confirmed with OK, and published your changes. With this workflow, you can quickly add custom functionality and third-party tools to your pages while keeping full control over placement and design. Thanks for watching, and happy building!